Hi, I'm Dr. Todd Sullivan from Nova Chiropractic and Acupuncture. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you use a massage gun to relieve shoulder pain. So there's three main areas that you want to apply the massage gun to relieve shoulder pain. The first area is going to be in the back portion of the shoulder and then the rotator cuff muscles in the back side. So what I like to have patients do is I'm going to have her put her hand on her opposite kind of shoulder chest area. And what that does is it opens up this window in the back of the shoulder and allows the massage gun to get deeper into the rotator cuff and then into the shoulder capsule. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply it to that region. When we're doing this, you never want to do it over a bony structure such as the AC joint or the scapula. You want to just concentrate, again, just over the muscle tissue. The other thing you want to do when you can, you want to apply some active motion while you're doing the massage gun, and that will release it a little bit more. So we're just going to demonstrate the static position using the massage gun. Again, we're going to kind of move it around this whole tissue, just working the whole rotator cuff right into the lower armpit axilla area, and then we're going to go into the posterior deltoid. Good. So now what I want the patient to do is she's going to reach above her head, and we're going to do that same motion in the back, but I'm going to have her go through some range of motion while I'm doing it. Now with this, you can still move it around a little bit, but you want to kind of keep it concentrated on one area if you're trying to treat. So that's how you would treat the posterior part of the shoulder using static and active motion to release it with a massage gun. The second area we're going to treat is going to be the Peck and the anterior deltoid in that region here. So with this, you got to be careful. It's a little bit more sensitive over that area, so you don't want to press in too aggressively. You also want to avoid the clavicle and the AC joint. So again, what we're going to do is we're going to start into a static position. So I'm going to have her just rest just like that. And again, we want to work the Peck as it attaches the bicep tendon here. Just be careful. It's a very sensitive structure, especially if you're dealing with pain. This is all a great area to treat for anterior shoulder pain and just shoulder pain in general. So now to add some active motion, what we're going to do is we're going to have you start here and then we're going to go up like that. So let's have you go through there. Good. And then back and forth. Good. Good, and you can relax there. So that's how you would treat the anterior shoulder, the pec, and the anterior deltoid and bicep. That's a great way to help relax that anterior shoulder. Again, just be very careful because if that area is inflamed, you can't press too hard into that section. The third area you want to use a massage gun to relieve shoulder pain is going to be in the axilla area. So the latissimus dorsi, the subscapularis, those are muscles that are in that region that when you're removing your arm can cause shoulder pain. And so what we want to do is we're going to apply that massage gun in that area. We'll do it in a static position, and then we'll show you how you would do it in a dynamic position. So what we're going to do is we're going to raise the patient's arm up and bend your elbow. Good. And just hold that arm up like that. Ideally, if you have someone to help you, this is going to be the best position to be in. And you can either do this in a laying down position or a seated position. And again, we want to work that lat muscle right here. It's that big muscle that you see as you raise your arm overhead and into this axilla area. And that's a great area to treat. Now, if I wanted to add some active motion, what we're going to do is we're going to start here, and then she's going to go overhead and reach overhead as we work this whole lat area. So that's how you would apply the massage gun to relieve shoulder pain. If you have any questions, reach out to me at 703-912-7822, or you can schedule online at novachirewellness.com.